Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the amazing Tuya Smart RFIR Remote Control Wi-Fi Smart Home Infrared Controller for Air Conditioner All TV LG TV Support Alexa Google Home. This device is an absolute game changer when it comes to controlling your home appliances. First off, this universal IR remote control allows you to use your smartphone to control a wide range of home appliances, including STB, TV box, TV, air conditioner, fan, DVD, and RF devices. It's compatible with most brands, and even has a learning function to copy the key functions of your original remote controls. But that's not all. This device has a massive IR code database with support for over 4,000 brands and 50,000 plus IR codes on the cloud. It also supports RF copy and repeat, meaning it can control devices like curtains, roller shutters, garage doors, and more. Plus, the app remote control feature allows you to remotely control your home appliances from anywhere at any time. One of the best things about this product is the easy installation and connection to the app. With the latest Tuya chip, the app will automatically find the device through Bluetooth, and you can connect it to the Smart Life app with just a few clicks on the screen. And don't forget about the voice control feature. Just connect it to your Amazon Alexa or Google Home, and you can control your home appliances with your voice. So why choose this product? Say goodbye to using multiple remote controls for each of your IR home appliances. With this device, you can control everything with the tap of your finger on your mobile app, and even control RF-enabled devices like curtains, roller shutters, and garage doors. So what are you waiting for? If you want to simplify your home appliance control and make your life a whole lot easier, then click the link in the description to get your hands on the Tuya Smart RFIR Remote Control Wi-Fi Smart Home Infrared Controller for Air Conditioner All TV LG TV Support Alexa Google Home. Trust me, you won't regret it. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with all the latest tech reviews. Thanks for watching.